In this video, we're unboxing and replace the adjustable coilover for a 1999 Honda Civic. Front coilover with top mount. C-spanners. Brake line brackets. Lower mount bushings. Washers. .3mm Allen key. Brand brochure. Instruction manual. The following are the tools required for replacing the Honda Civic EK coilover: large torque wrench, F extension bar, a 17mm wrench, flat chisel, large 14mm deep socket, large 15mm deep socket, large 17mm short socket, large electric impact wrench, hammer, large 19mm deep socket. Using the 19mm deep socket with the F extension bar, loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the 19mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench, loosen the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using the 14mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench, remove the bolt securing strut to the lower bracket. Remove the bolt. Using the 17mm wrench with the 17mm shallow electric impact wrench, remove the bolt securing strut bracket to the lower control arm. Remove the bolt. Separate the coilover bracket. Remove the bracket. Lower the vehicle. Open the hood. Using the 15mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench, loosen the top mount nuts. Remove the strut. Before installing the strut, we need to check the preload collar height. The preload should be set to approximately 10 mm. If it exceeds 10 mm, spring damage may occur, so we recommend do not exceed 10 mm. Once the height is set, tighten the preload locking collar. After tightening, adjust the lower strut housing height, set the lower housing to its lowest position. Ensure the threaded portion of the shock remains engaged inside the lower housing and remain at least 30 mm. Once set, tighten the lower locking collar. After adjustment, proceed with strut installation. Before installing the new strut, remove the top mount retaining nut. Install the strut. Install the retaining nut. Using the 15mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench, tighten the strut top mount nuts. Using the 15mm deep socket with the torque wrench, tighten the strut top mount nuts. Tighten torque 60 Nm, 44 foot-pounds. After installation, remove the rubber cap from the damping adjustment knob. Damping adjustment is as follows. Turning counterclockwise softens the damping, resulting in a softer suspension feel. Turning clockwise stiffens the damping, resulting in a firmer suspension feel. A total of 24 adjustment settings are available from full soft to full hard. Adjust according to personal preference. Remove the hood prop. Close the hood. Our kit includes brake line brackets. These brackets mount at this location. These brackets are intended for applications where the brake line position has been altered, such as when installing brake line bracket or when higher the length. If the brake line position is changed, we need use these brackets to install the brake line bracket. But this time, since the brake line position remains unchanged for this installation, these brackets are not used. Use the cold chisel and hammer to slightly spread the gap in the strut bracket. Install the stepped adapter bushing. Ensure the gap is properly aligned. Remove the cold chisel. Install the bracket. Mount the bracket to the strut. Once in position, install the bolt. Using the 14mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench, tighten the strut to bracket mounting bolt. Using the 14mm deep socket with the torque wrench, tighten the strut to bracket mounting bolt. Tighten torque 43 Newton meters, 32 foot-pounds. Install the bracket to lower control arm mounting bolt. Install the nut. Using the 17mm wrench with the 17mm shallow electric impact wrench, tighten the bracket to lower control arm mounting bolt. Using the 17mm wrench together with the 17mm shallow socket and Torx wrench, tighten the bracket to lower control arm mounting nut. Tighten torque 64 Newton meters, 47 foot-pounds. Install the wheel. Install the lug nuts. Using the 19mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench, tighten the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Using the 19mm deep socket with the torque wrench, tighten the lug nuts. Tighten torque 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds.